Hey y'all, it's me again. Today I just want to do a small review on something I got. I bought a few of them for Christmas, so I don't remember how much they were. They might have been $20 each. I know it was like buy three, get one free or something. But I found the deal on Facebook, so I thought I'd check it out. It's a nice little kit, but it is missing a very important survival ingredient. A knife, but none of these were sealed when I got them. No big deal, but that's the Stealth Angel Survival Tactical Kit. I think it's a 6-piece kit. There's some stuff there in here that's like really hokey, but might be useful. I know the one I kept for myself, the compass was jacked, so I don't know if they're all like that. So I just threw my compass away. It doesn't work, right? But let's check it out. So it is a weatherproof case, so that's nice. And it does have 4 clamps on it to keep it nice and tight, seal in there. Alright, well, this compass is jacked too. Get a big air bubble in there like that, your compass isn't going to work because that air bubble is going to be pushing that needle around. So yeah, worthless item. You get a glass breaker, temple smasher, whatever, Crubiton type pen. And the pen works alright. I found that it does not like to draw 8s for some reason, but it does work. And it is refillable. Oops. To refill it, you just gotta unscrew it. And there's your ink cartridge. And it does have a watertight seal on there. So, pen I like. I keep one in my, I have one in my truck and I use it for work. Alright, and the flashlight, it does take one, what is it, AA? I think it's a AA battery. Oh, I didn't know you can do that. Oh, it's on the bottom. That's right. Yeah, one AA battery. Looks like there's some corrosion down in there. It does have some dielectric grease on there too. But I already have a battery in one, so I'll just show you that. It is a 3-mode, bright, low, and flashing. There's your bright, there's your low, and there's your flashing. So you just do half presses and it cycles through, or you can just turn it off and on. Now, one thing I haven't checked was, nope, and it is an adjustable beam. So that's kind of nice. It's got a pocket clip on it, so you can like clip it to your hat or something. Well, maybe not, because clip's going the wrong direction. But it's got a pocket clip, and it's got kind of a self-defense type ring around it. No markings on it. And you get an aluminum whistle for trying to get attention if you can. It's alright. And you get another light for your keychain. It's one of those press lights. And it does have a little button on it right here. You just pull it back and you don't have to squeeze it, it just stays on. And you just pop it forward again and it turns off. And a ferro rod with a striker, and has kind of a small ruler on it, measuring device, and bottle opener, but you don't need a bottle opener to survive, so there, so you can scrape off the coating on this to get to the metal, or to get to the part that sparks. And this is not P cord, this is just a regular old nylon cord. And last item, this little card tool. It just seems pretty gimmicky. You do have some hex drivers. This is supposed to be for a compass, but they're like makeshift compass. Another bottle opener, has a saw blade on it, can opener, another measuring device down here. But the saw teeth are kind of in a dumb spot because can opener is right there. You have to grip it on the saw teeth to get it to work. There's like a flat bit right here and kind of a sharpened edge here for light cutting or chiseling or something. And there's a little card inside this thing that tells you what all this stuff's for. So, yeah, not real impressed, but the price I got them for, I'm not really complaining because this is a really nice ferro rod. I know those are cheap, but it's hard to find the big thick ones like that. Keychain light, you never have enough lights. I work nights and I'm always using lights. Your flashlight. And having a way to escape a vehicle. This is not carbide. I already tested it out on glass. It does not scratch it. It's just hardened steel. But it'll still break glass. And like if you're lost somewhere in a forest, you can use one of these to get attention to yourself. This is just kind of gimmicky. Broken compass. This one has a bigger air bubble than the one I had. But north is that way. It's pointing. It wants to point north, but it's stuck. So it's pointing east. Yeah, it's kind of a joke. And I don't know what they filled this with, but it's not water. It's like some sort of alcohol or something. Well, anyways, show the box, and there is a weather stripping piece of rubber that goes the whole length. It does have like a spot where it's, you know, not together in there, but it should still keep water out. If you didn't want to use this for storing this stuff, you can store other stuff in here too. It's a nice little box. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great night. Stay safe and stay warm. Take care.